Well, when the girls first come in, right after school, we come in, they have 15 minutes to socialize. This is the time where you can build relationships with them. And then the next 15 minutes, we do drills or exercise. And then we go into our groups. I have guest speakers that come in. We have the college students that come in and also lead our small groups, which is phenomenal. And they talk about education in college. And then we do dance. We love to dance. We love poetry.
This has been a real good thing for me because I used to have anger problems and then ready to tell somebody off. But it helped me to have self-control and not say nothing, let people say what they got to say. And then if I don't got nothing to say at all, don't say nothing.
All my life I wanted to make a difference in people's lives, and working with inner city children, I've been able to do that. Coming to Kidsbridge, the girls get an outlet, back at home and stuff. They usually don't have that many people to talk to or to express their feelings. So actually coming here helps them a lot to validate their feelings.
If we don't catch these young guys now, they're going to be headed down some dark roads, and I think the community will suffer. So we began to really give these guys an opportunity to see life in a different way. And I think, these guys need attention. I think they're begging for attention at this age, and if we don't give it to them, they'll get attention from negative influences on the outside the street. So it's real important.
Being a mentor, coming every week it's really impacting. I came from the same place they come from, and I went through the same situations they went through, except I made a different choice at a certain point in time. I can relate to all their problems, I can relate to all their issues, and I feel that they're more likely to relate to someone who can relate to them. It's different when you bring a stranger who understands nothing about their background and about what it's like to grow up in the inner city. For every one person that we can help and every one person we can prevent from going through the path of violence, that one person can end up helping another person down the line. And hope is necessary, and Kidsbridge is hope.